My name is Ross Herring. I was working construction and I was watching this guy. We're renovating houses in downtown Richmond, Virginia. And he said, when this guy comes in to do the plumbing, get him out of here as fast as possible. I said, why? He said, because I'm paying him 45 bucks an hour. Tony, who was the plumber, he had Italian suits, beautiful car, and he owned some houses. And I'm like, Tony the plumber, that's all right. Now I went to school, plumbing school, and I got my master's card, backflow, gas, got all the credentials, and then I started doing service plumbing. I've been a plumber for 22, 23 years. So I worked at this large medical research university, and we had all types of chemicals that were in the drains and all types of problems with those drains coming apart at certain places, and the chemicals would be all over the floor. So as a plumber, I was concerned for my own safety. I was concerned for my, fellows going into it. Yet at the same time, you want to get into this and try to get the problem fixed. And over again, when we go to see what the problem was, it was this pipe that had just simply pulled apart, this blue pipe, with these fittings on them that were not fused. They would just blow apart, especially when we'd have clogs and they'd build up enough head pressure on that pipe. Other times we would have stuff in the pipes, we'd be using our drain snakes to clear that pipe out. And then again, we would discover, hey, back in the wall behind a metal cabinet, another joint on this particular blue pipe had pulled apart, and we'd have to get into all that again. I was so frustrated. So many days I have been so just like, oh, I just want to get on to the next job. This particular pipe was problematic, so I started looking for other ways of doing things. I found Charlotte Chemdrain Acid Waste Pipe, and it was absolutely incredible because all I had to do was glue a joint in place. Chemdrain works just like any other PVC drain pipe. If you can glue PVC pipe, then you can glue Chemdrain. It's simply just put it on the fitting, put the fitting together, give it a little twist if you're a real plumber, hold it, and it's good to go. It's solid gold. My fellow plumbers. I know we're kind of joking here as we talk, but I really come to you today to say, I'm in it with you. I have been there with you. If you're in the same position that I was in, you could show the people who are smart, the engineers, your facility management people, and architects, show them with your hands, show them this Chemdrain acid waste pipe. Show them how easy it is to put together. Take it to them so that they can hold it with their hands and see it. That is what worked for me. That's what helped me get them on board. This pipe will help you to feel safe. This will help you when you're snaking out the drain, and it's just so much easier to install and put in. My wife told me firsthand, she said, I always worried when you were working at this particular facility of contracting things, contracting anything from the water, if I had a cut in my hand or a cuticle or something like that. It's not far-fetched. It really is not far-fetched to say that this pipe literally could save your life. I don't have to sell anything, it's my experience, and it works. Try it. Beautiful women and the good life.